Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another mukbang, baby!
Yummy.
Damn, y'all see this spread?
You're like, what the hell is that?
Y'all see this?
You're like, what the hell is that?
Man, I've been waiting for this for a week.
Seriously, for a week. Like, you saw a sale, right? And you have to have this item, and you kept pressing refresh on the page.
Got him! Got him!
I'm
trying to play me.
Nah, I like to be honest.
You always trying to play me. Nah, you ain't gotta be honest. They ain't gotta know everything. I don't be telling them what you be doing.
I don't do anything.
I don't be telling them all your secrets.
I don't have secrets.
Yes, I was refreshing for B Love's garlic sauce because y'all bought it all out and the thing sold out.
It is.
Sheesh!
Bestseller on Amazon.
Man, when she said it dropped, I went straight to Amazon and it was sold out.
Yeah.
So I did for a couple days. I was hounding Amazon like this. Not in stock.
I thought it was
Not
VIP from her too. Like we couldn't even. We should have got like a pre-drop.
Like I was saying, since you want to throw me under the bus, not in stock.
2 hours later.
Not in stock.
They got the point though. Not in stock.
I ain't done. I ain't gonna lie, man. It was a couple days. Then the other day I was like, yo, it's in stock. Let's order it. Amazon Prime. And we got it.
Yep.
Yo, I'm so excited.
Yep. If you guys haven't seen our previous video when we did her other B Love sauce
with the spaghetti?
Spicy. Oh my god.
Guys,
so amazing.
Smackalicious sauce and spaghetti. I'm gonna put the link right here. Y'all have to check it out. Cause
Can you put it here?
You know what? You just be pissing me off, you know. You always on some calculated moko jumping.
Alright, don't put it here. Can you put it there?
You always on. Damn it to hell, man. You always on some kiss me ass.
I just wanted to know. Why it was gonna be where you would put it?
Say one more thing. Say one more thing.
One more thing. What you gonna do?
I go flip this down. You know, you lucky.
You will never flip food.
Anyway, let's back on track. So Amazon finally had B Love's new Smackalicious garlic sauce in stock.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I'm gonna drop the link for our last video when we tried the spicy with the spaghetti. It was banging.
Yeah, it was so delicious.
Yes.
The sauce was darker than this one.
Yeah, this garlic.
Right, this is garlic. The other one was not. And if you want to know why, buy you a pack.
Yeah, because we bought 6. Woo! Anyways, guys, today we are having the B Love's garlic smackalicious sauce with a Dominican
Picadera.
Woo! We went out to this famous spot in New York.
Mm-hmm.
We picked up a picadera. It's nothing but meats, plátanos. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
Y'all can see the spread.
Yeah.
It's like, what's in there, babe? Tell them what's in there.
Alright, so there is chicharrón de pollo, which is chicken, like fried chicken. We have some tostones, which is fried plantains. Why are you making all them faces? You done told me to tell them.
Because I don't think they know what you're saying.
That's what I'm saying in Spanish and English. I'm just going to say it in English.
No, do both. Do both. No, just in case Latino subscribers want to know. Do both.
We have some chicharrón de pollo, I said. We have some pork rinds here.
How you say that? Chicharrón de puerco?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Look at that. I know Spanglish.
Spanglish.
Langazina.
What is a langazina?
I don't know. I thought that was sausage.
Oh my god. We have some salchicha in here.
That's a lot. What's sausages? Vienna sausages.
We don't have Vienna sausages.
Okay, what's salchicha?
But we have sausage. Sausages, salchicha. We have sausage.
Pork sausage?
Yeah, these are pork sausages.
There we go.
These little ones. There's a lot of pork in here. No lie. This is
beef.
There's
steak.
some steak.
Beef steak. I know that.
Ooh.
Get out of here. Continue.
Like,
I know Spanglish.
You know what? Go ahead, finish.
Tostones, chicharrón de pollo, chicharrón de puerco. We got some salami, Dominican sausage. They call that I forgot. We got some puerco, some pork, and I think we said everything.
Some queso frito, some fried
there's fried cheese
cheese
in there. There's fried cheese in there. Y'all, I'm ready to eat, man. We taking
Where
too
is
long.
it? It's in there.
We procrastinating. I'm hungry.
All right. So other than the beloved sauce, we got some ketchup. Because totones taste good with ketchup, and they gave us these little hot sauce.
Pica. Hey, that's what they call it. That's what Grandma called it in el restaurante.
Abuela called it that.
Abuela called it pica. She said, "Tú quieres pica?
¿Tú quieres pica?"
¿Qué?
Sure.
¿Qué?
He was like, "Dame dos."
No, I said no comprende.
No, you didn't.
That's what I said. No comprende.
No, you didn't.
Anyways, we gotta say grace. I got me a toothpick because there's a lot of finger foods here. We're gonna say grace. Y'all ready? Yeah, bow your heads. Grace. All right, let's go. We about to eat here. You want a toothpick?
Amen.
Amen to that. Guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all new here, welcome, because it's about to go down. Oh, yeah. I want to try the sausage first.
Are you going to try sausage first?
Yeah, I don't know.
That's what my toothpick was for, to pick?
Obviously. What else you think is for? To clean your teeth?
Yeah.
What?
Isn't that stuff in here?
Take a look at the salami. You see this? Ooh, Vilas.
You're going to lose it in there.
It's our first time trying this garlic sauce.
Yeah. I mean, it just came out.
I hope it don't disappoint. I'm not gonna lose it in there. Ooh, this onion. Ooh, look at those onion chunks. Oh God, this.
Beloved sauce doesn't come like that. You have to make it.
You didn't bring no napkins. You never bring napkins when we got the Smackalicious sauce. Oh, you got a hit me with it? All right.
Always trying to play me.
Guys, look at this.
I'm always ready.
Y'all get the first bite. Look at that.
That's really generous of him. If you're new to this channel and you don't know Chef Trini, he don't share.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Stay trying to play me, Sam. Yo, this thing's busting. I don't know what this is. I think this is pork. Going for the pork. Ooh, every time I take a dip, I'm coming up with this ginger in there, this onion, this garlic. I'm coming up with some type of goodness. I made a mess. I made a mess. This is so good.
Delicious.
Ooh, that pork and the beloved sauce. Yo, I'm getting lucky. It's like I'm fishing for gold in this sauce. Look at it. Ooh, oh, God. Oh.
You're not going to leave no onions in there for me? You really, you know.
Oh, God. How dare you?
Can you leave some onions for me?
Yeah, just now. Oh, God.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Alright. That's cool.
Ooh.
I told you don't share, right? I told y'all. I'm
going to put one of these in there for a swim.
You just gonna let it float?
I'm going to let him swim. You got to marinate.
Oh.
I'm going to marinate that totones in there. I want to try one of these.
This beef is good.
I want to try one of these chicharrones. Oh, yeah, I haven't tried this. So what's the difference between this sausage and the Dominican salami? Like, what is this called? Because this looks different. See this? This looks different This looks different than this.
And they both sausages.
Oh, I'm going to do a double dip. Bang.
Look, your thing is drowning.
Bang.
Your toton is drowning. Let me get it for you.
No, wait. No. Hey.
Let me get it for you.
Hey, stop your chippiness.
You so selfish.
Stop your chippiness.
Yo, you so selfish.
Behave yourself.
Listen, there's more in the plate.
Behave yourself.
Fucking greedy.
Behave yourself.
I'm gonna drop my own totones.
Behave yourself.
Don't worry about me.
Yeah, I cannot, you know.
Look, this is yours now. And let me get the other one that was swimming.
No! Hey!
Okay.
I'm gonna poke you with the toothpick.
Jeez,
Don't jump be my food.
Jeez Louise.
Guys. Hold on, we're gonna, this is story time, guys. Story time. This is for the fellas. Tell me if I'm lying.
You're lying.
I ain't even finished.
You're always lying though.
So you know when you go to a restaurant, a fast food place, and you say, "Babe, you hungry?" No, I'm not hungry. All right, cool. I'm gonna get me this. And the minute you get your food, tell me I'm lying. Can I get some?
First of all, let's be real.
You ain't hungry. Don't you want to be my food?
That don't be me. That be some women. Me, I hungry all the time. So I get my and I ask him still for his food. That don't be me.
Hold on, let me get my totones.
That don't be me.
My totone is drowning. My totone is drowning.
I'm hungry.
What do you think about this Smackalicious sauce though? Is it better than?
It's good, but I like the other one better.
You like the spicy better?
I like the spicy. Even the mild one of the other sauce, her original sauce, I find it to be more flavorful than this one. This one is still good. It has a lot of flavor.
Drowning, yeah. Ooh, I ain't tried the cheese, guys.
You can taste the garlic.
Fried cheese. I like it.
It's
So
good.
it's not as spicy.
I know, but I like the other one. I don't know why.
You like the spicy Smackalicious sauce?
I like the spicy Smackalicious sauce. They both amazing. Amazing. But if I had to make another order, I'm gonna be like, listen, go give me more of my
spicy.
Yeah, that ran out.
I ain't gonna lie. We was making this and I was still sneezing.
Oh yeah.
Open the pack in the kitchen and I was still sneezing. I was like, what the hell? I don't know what be in that seasoning.
She put her foot in it.
That's what it is. Toe jam?
Yeah, she told me so.
It's toe jam. So I'm sneezing on the toe jam. That what you saying?
It was good.
Oh, I'm making that. Oh, let me try this.
Yeah, put on hot sauce.
Let me try this pica that they gave us. Smackalicious sauce is good. It really is. But I gotta try this pica. Guys, y'all want some of this pica? I think it's pepper sauce in English though.
Of course it is.
Ooh, that's good. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
That is good.
That pica hot.
You want this ketchup?
I don't want ketchup.
Okay.
That was your idea. What are you doing?
Don't worry with me. I just asked you if you want ketchup.
I don't want
You
ketchup.
said no, so don't worry about my ketchup.
Alright, don't worry about my pica.
I won't. Shoot.
No lie. This is good.
That ketchup's good, but don't worry about it.
I don't want it.
Don't touch it.
I think I tried everything except the chicharron de pollo. I ain't tried chicken yet.
Did you eat all the cheese?
I had one cheese, bro.
You know how you do.
No, I don't know how I do. Please enlighten me.
You eat it out.
I do not.
Sam, you want this? And then as you put it in your mouth.
Look, he's right there.
Look at that. I found it.
Always trying to play me.
Oh, look, I found my totone.
That's not yours.
Yes, it is. You ate yours.
I put mine in there. You can't take you nowhere. Don't touch that.
This cheese tastes amazing in that sauce.
What they call this? The Dominican cheese. There's a name for this, I think. It's that white cheese. Queso de Blanco? Or something like that?
I don't actually know the name of the cheese. But it's amazing.
There's a name for this
Probably
cheese.
expensive.
They sell it. It comes in a blue pack. I'm gonna put the photo right here. I know this cheese.
But you put in the other link here. You should put the photo over here. You gotta pay attention to what you say, you know.
You know something?
You do this.
You do this. You make sure you take that one and not mine.
Don't worry what I'm gonna take.
No, you're gonna put another one in, and then you're gonna take my totones that's been soaking in there for about 10 minutes. Don't touch my totones. I watch it, you know.
You can put up my last nerve.
Yeah, I still haven't tried this chicken. It's so big and so huge. I don't even need a toothpick for that. I'm just gonna dunk this sucker in there.
Do it.
Guys, check this out. I think it's the only thing I haven't tried. Yo, that pica is hot.
It's very good.
It's good.
It's hot sauce that has flavor and a kick. I don't like hot sauce that's just like burns your mouth. I don't like that. I have to have flavor.
We didn't tell them where we got this picadera from.
Oh, hold on.
I forgot.
You the worst. We got this from Libertad on Liberty Avenue in Queens.
New York.
Yep.
Yeah, this is really good. What do you give this Smackalicious sauce? I'm gonna give this a 9.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a 9. I give it spicy a 10.
A 10.
Yeah.
Maybe an 11.
I'm gonna give this garlic. Hold on. You know what? Let me
Oh, look, my.
That's not yours. That's not yours. You ain't got nothing in there. That's not yours.
I didn't even take mine.
That's not yours.
Yo, they see I didn't even take mine.
Oh, I'm making a mess. You gotta watch this video call. Not yours.
You greedy, you know.
I know.
You so greedy.
I know. That's my middle name. Greedy.
Ay.
My middle name is Greedy.
That sounds good with the chicken.
I'm eating it right now. It's really good.
It's very good with the chicken.
I think I tried everything.
Yeah, me too.
I tried everything in the Smackalicious sauce, except that tostones that had simmering.
Guys, chef and chefettes. If y'all have a picadera that has a different spread than this one, let us know. If you got it from somewhere in New York,
Facts.
let us know. Comment below because we would love to try it.
Guys, get a picadera. Trust me. If y'all don't have to be Spanish to eat this. The picadera is worth it. All this meat, it was washing. Look at this steak.
I've actually seen some picaderas instead of tostones, they have french fries.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too.
So there's different kind of picaderas out there, guys. Get yourself a beloved sauce. Get you a picadera. And let us know what you think. And it's so filling. It comes with so much.
You're watching.
I'm watching you. I'm full.
Man,
Right there.
you ate all the cheese. What? Got the last cheese. That's it too. I'm full.
Oh, I forgot my tostones swimming in there.
Oh, no, that's mine. Don't need mother.
You were just about to let them know that you were full and done. But now you're going to eat the next one.
I feel like I eat this.
You greedy.
That is my middle name. I'm gonna eat this and then I'm full.
You want to eat more.
Alright, now full.
Totally.
Now, knock down.
That is so true. He eat and sleep. He sits up, but he be knocked out. After he's done eating, that's exactly what he looks like. You're not gonna sit up to digest your food. I sit him.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
No? You sure you're not gonna take another bite?
No. Oh, no.
No. Yo, I hope you guys like this video. Tag below.
Yes.
Share this out. That's it. And we are out.